Banks 101, we live, YouTube. We just went to the store, got some parts, try to calm our exhaust system down. Fuel costs too much. We're burning unnecessarily. So we went and picked up one of these 2 1/4, 1/7 adapter pipes. And then I've seen a lot of these online. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to try this too though. But we're gonna try this first. Let me get shop set up, y'all, so we can see what's up. Oh, as y'all can see, yeah, I knew it was that because it was extra large. Still in place though. But we gotta put this in and see what happened, y'all. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. I had to pause it. Hear the news flash. That stuff didn't work. But I did keep the split flange, so we might use that. So now we got the 1 3/4 and about 2-inch outside down. And we got a 2-inch and a 2-inch. So now our goal is here, the 134s are going inside, so that's gonna be something like this. Now the other outside piece is probably like a 2 1/4 or something, but we're gonna try to twerk it like this. Or twerk it like that. Whatever end is gonna be tighter up in the inside. So we should come out roughly with something like that with some clamps, but we're just putting it together to see how we look so far. All right, y'all, we'll be back again. All right, y'all, we got our medium repair done. We ended up using the 1 3/4 one to the 2-inch. I'm gonna come back in here and fix all this in a minute, but right now, while gas $3.50 a gallon, yeah, this is a good way to save on some bucks, y'all. So we about to fire it up. I'm gonna give y'all the sound, then we out. All right, y'all, we gonna start off to see what it's quieter. Damn, we got a winner, y'all. Listen to that. Y'all, Banks 101. We always doing something good, y'all. This is the old car, old number, things are doing. We out. Holla.